Yeah, this is sweet.
Yeah, a 1946 Chevy.
Yeah.
Look at the engine on that. 1932 Ford Tudor. 1932. Just don't touch the cars. Okay?
No, I know I'm not.
Oh, it's so cool.
This red one's nice too.
No, well, that's an That's a different story.
Nice.
Get that number down.
I got them.
Not every day.
I'm looking at Gus's too, eh?
To see it, I'd say that's
Oh, there's stuff on both sides. It's hard to see it all.
stock.
Oh, look at that truck.
Really?
I like to think on both of those. I like the flames on the side. Yeah. Aren't these amazing?
I think Caroline maybe that one.
Isn't it adorable? Look at the color.
What's wrong with me?
Well, you should know. Are you familiar with this view?
Look at how cozy those are, eh? Don't touch.
I'm not touching.
So cool. Cool, eh?
This is so nice. Oh, it's sweet.
On that? Just know that. Never mind. You just know that.
1937.
How do you know all this stuff?
Right, because on my window they've got like what the make and the
Oh,
year of
dark.
cars.
Darn.
That's a cool back seat on those, eh?
Can't really see.
Very neat.
Yeah, I know.
The flag goes on this here, eh? Look at this one, huh? It's like a monster car.
Look at the 8-ball for the
Yeah.
Oh my god. Sorry, that is a sexy car.
Looks like a Hot Wheel.
Yeah,
Oh my
that
god.
one's my favorite.
Hey, look
so
out!
far.
No, I want to take a picture of this thing.
1934 Ford Coupe. Watch out, Bubba.
What?
See the flames?
Yeah, I know. I was just looking at that.
I don't think they go far back. That's what I want to do with the aircraft.
Yeah.
And then same with the doorbell.
Yeah, totally. See this one? Like the rustiness.
He's probably got this one.
I've got some. Yeah.
Goes over there.
That's why the graphics on the
So we're going over this way.
$1927. Oh, it's a 90-year-old car, Noah.
Yeah, I know. This thing's sweet.
That's so cool. Very
So cool.
You had to get over the counter.
Yeah. Wow. I love like the curves.
Yeah.
It's like a gel that you rub on and it's like a pain reliever. You should get this. I put a purple hair on my back. Oh yeah. I'm gonna start right now. I just got the double spray prescription. You just rub it on and it takes away your pain right from there. Yeah. Because I can't take any like.
I've tried that. Tried that too.
Oh my god. The engine's in the car. That's crazy. I know. That's a nice car. It's my first. And there's a bunch of cars up there
Oh
too.
yeah, we're going. We're just waiting on Uncle T and Dad.
Just abandoned Uncle T.
He's going that way. Why is someone driving down here? Because they need to get into Cove.
Can't believe
You want
this
to come
is-
up here a bit now?
Yeah, I can't believe this is my first like car show.
Yeah, this is. They call it Deuces.
I'm still gonna call it a car show.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying. It is a car show. It's all like old.
Yeah, I know.
Want to get back in the middle of the road?
Yeah.
Let's get up from here. We'll see these couple ones here.
These cars are sweet.
I like the color of that.
Yeah, I know.
The big back seat on that one, eh?
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
It's a 1929 Ford Roadster.
Look at the engine on this one. This one. I like this one. This one's sweet.
1928 Ford Roadster.
Oh, this is sweet.
Yeah. Very cool. Oh my
I like this dark blue.
Me too.
Where?
Right here. Look at this car.
Sweet.
That one's been all like updated.
Yeah, this one isn't as old anymore.
The
It's still
interior's
old,
just
but-
been updated. Right?
Uh-huh. That's nice.
Yeah.
This one really catches my attention. This one's so nice. Ay. Oh my god.
Stephanie, I still always picture Gordon with black hair.
Oh my god, this one's so nice.
Grass here and go look at the ones with the
Alright. We'll come. I know.
They're just everywhere you look, eh?
Oh, I know. Oh no, we barely have. Oh my god, this orange.
Do you like the orange?
Yes.
That's a cool truck. It's a really cool truck.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Oh, it's amazing. Oh, this is so nice.
Look at that purple one. Yeah, I like that.
Can we see?
We're good.
No? Okay.
So sweet.
1948.
Okay guys, this is gonna be the end of this video. I'll see you later. Bye bye.